Welcome to this tutorial where we'll explore the usefulness of VLOOKUP in Excel, coupled with a drop-down list to simplify data lookup. We often use VLOOKUP function to find proper value by certain conditions in Excel, and we often create a drop-down list to filter value in Excel. If you combine these two features together, it can help us solve a lot of search problems by some conditions, and it will bring us a lot of convenience. For example, we have two columns of data. One column lists the names and another one lists the sales. We want to choose a value from the name drop-down list and then show the corresponding sales value in the adjacent cell will. In this case, we need to use VLOOKUP function. We'll guide you through using Excel's VLOOKUP function alongside a drop-down list. This combo not only simplifies data lookup but also makes it more interactive. Let's jump into the easy-to-follow steps to master this method and boost your data handling skills. Assuming that you have a table of name and sales, and in column E, create a drop-down list of names. When you select a name from drop-down list, the relative sales will be displayed in adjacent cell. Create a drop-down list for name column. In E2, click Data to Data Validation to load Data Validation window. In Data Validation window, enter Settings tab, select List under arrow field. Enter equals $217 in source field. Then click OK. Verify that drop-down list is created properly. In F2, enter the formula equals VLOOKUP, 2. In above formula, $2 is the value we filtered from the drop-down list. $2. $1, BD $7 is the absolute range for search E2. You select different values from the drop-down list. The VLOOKUP formula dynamically retrieves corresponding data. Thanks for watching. This method, employing the versus lookup function with a drop-down list, empower you to seamlessly retrieve and manage data in Excel.